Fulfillment job creation. Now that we have our products registered on the platform, our recipients added, and inventory in stock, we can move on to creating fulfillment jobs. We'll do this from the Jump portal, under Creating Jobs. There are two ways to create a fulfillment job, manually or through a bulk upload. In this tutorial, we'll look at manual job creation. Let's click Add Job. We can either select a recipient already entered on the platform or manually enter the recipient's details. For this tutorial, we'll select an existing recipient. Select whether the order type is residential or commercial. Next, enter the invoice number. Uploading a PDF copy of the invoice is optional, but it's always considered best practice. Make sure the invoice number matches the invoice file name. Now enter the total number of cases for the fulfillment job. Next, select the product source. This indicates where the products are coming from: pickup, drop-off, Trillium, or inventory. In this example, we'll select Pickup. Enter the pickup date, the number of units being picked up. Select the SKU or product, and then enter the quantity. If the job includes a partial or lab case, select partial, then enter the number of units inside that partial case. For this example, we'll continue with full cases. Once the products have been entered, select the delivery date. If you select an incorrect delivery date, Jump will notify you. You can always refer to your fulfillment center's coverage area or delivery schedule before submitting fulfillment jobs. If the job is being entered after the daily cutoff time and requires next-day delivery, you can also request special delivery. Next, add any delivery or pickup instructions. If there are no instructions, simply select No Instructions or enter NA. Once all the details have been entered, click Add Job to submit the fulfillment job. While the job is still in new status, you can edit it or request cancellation. You can also view the job details to verify the recipient, product source, case count, and other information. To view the uploaded invoice, simply click View Job Doc. Now that we've created a fulfillment job using Pickup as the product source, let's create another job. Again, click Add Job, select the recipient, choose whether it's a residential or commercial delivery, enter the invoice number, upload the invoice, and specify the total number of cases. This time, we'll select inventory as the product source. meaning the products are being fulfilled directly from inventory stored in the warehouse or fulfillment center. Enter the number of cases. If there isn't enough inventory available to fulfill the job, Jump will notify you with an insufficient inventory error. Let's take a look. In this example, we have 20 cases of the selected product in stock. If we attempt to create a fulfillment job for 21 cases, Jump will notify us that there isn't sufficient inventory available to fulfill the order. So if we change the number of cases for this product to 21, Jump will show us an insufficient inventory error. As a reminder, always make sure that the product case count matches the number of cases for the selected product source, which adds up to the total case count for the fulfillment job being submitted. Let's go back and enter a quantity that is available in stock. We also have the option to add multiple products to the same fulfillment job. Simply click Add Product, select the additional item, and enter the required quantity. Always make sure the quantities entered match the available inventory and that the total number of cases is correct. Now enter the delivery date. If the job is being entered after the cutoff time, you can request special delivery. If there are no instructions, simply select No Instructions or enter NA. Once everything has been verified, click Add Job to submit the fulfillment request. We've now created 2 manual fulfillment jobs. As a reminder, always make sure invoice numbers are not duplicated. Let's create one final manual job. We'll follow the same process. Select the recipient. Choose whether the order type is residential or commercial. Enter the invoice number and total number of cases. This time, we'll select multiple product sources. We'll choose Pickup, Trillium, and Inventory. This means some products are coming from Trillium, some from your warehouse inventory, and the remaining products are being picked up, all as part of a single fulfillment job. Enter the pickup date for the pickup products. Specify the number of cases, select the products, and enter the quantities. We'll do the same for Trillium by entering the arrival date, selecting the products, and entering the quantities. Finally, we'll repeat the process for the inventory products. At any point, if a product includes a partial or lab case, simply select partial and enter the number of units. If the same product is coming from multiple product sources, that's also supported. Simply add the product under each applicable product source. Once all the product information is filled, you can select the delivery date, keeping in mind the arrival of products from all selected sources. For this job, we'll enter both pickup and delivery instructions since multiple product sources are involved. Once everything has been reviewed, click Add Job. We've now created 3 different types of manual fulfillment jobs. The first job used pickup as the product source. The second used inventory. The third combined multiple product sources within a single fulfillment job. As these jobs are processed by your warehouse, you'll see their statuses update in real time. As a reminder, the product source simply identifies where the products are coming from before fulfillment, whether they're being picked up, coming from warehouse inventory, arriving from Trillium, or being dropped off at the warehouse for future fulfillment or delivery. Now that we've created manual fulfillment jobs, in our next tutorial we'll look at bulk fulfillment job uploads.